Hi, I'm Aideen Curran from the Professional Clinical Services team at Ottobock, and today I'm going to teach you how to don the footshell of the Meridium foot. It's much easier to do this process with the foot freely moving, so don't be tempted to put it on charge before donning the footshell. This will wake it up and lock it in alignment mode. Secure the foot into a vise, but do not put the pyramid of the foot directly into the vise. Please use the 704 G30 mounting tool that's pictured, or simply use an old pipe. Refrain from donning fluids or talc, as this may lead to corrosion and damage the foot. Firstly, push the foot into a plantar flexed position. The only tool that you require is the shoehorn that's supplied. Push the footshell on as far as possible, making sure that the split toe is in line with the toe section of the footshell. Encourage the footshell on as much as possible and use the shoehorn to stretch the footshell over the foot plate. Click the foot plate into the heel section and pull the remainder of the footshell up until it sits into the grooves at the ankle. Finally, the spacer lug, which is the small moving metal bar, needs to be secured into the groove of the footshell. The purpose of this spacer lug is to keep the footshell away from the moving parts. Test that it is secured by moving the foot. The spacer may dislodge and cause a clicking sound if the patient dons their shoes too aggressively. So as a recap, don the footshell first before charging. Secure it into a vise, have the foot freely moving, and use a shoehorn to push the footshell onto the foot. Engage the foot plate into the heel section and insert the spacer lug into the footshell. Ensure the top circumference of the footshell is in the groove before closing the cover cap. Connect the plug into the cover cap and secure this with the 4 screws provided. Click the cap on, particularly around the pyramid. Now you can wake the foot up using the charger. The foot will be ready and locked in alignment mode for fitting.